Spin me around and around, turn me upside down. Spin me around and around, let me feel. Spin me again and again, till I'm upside down. Calling again and again, my name. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Hold me, tell me I'm not dreaming. I'm not dreaming. Tell me.
Hi guys, welcome to, I was gonna say the vlog. This ain't the vlog. This is going to be a standalone video. I am going to do a review of this thread rack right here. This company reached out to me and asked me to do a review on their products, so that's what I'm going to do. So I needed something out here anyway. So if you don't know, I own an embroidery business. I am on Etsy, and I do have a website in progress, but I own 2 Melcos and this Racoma right here. So my Melcos, one's not working, hasn't been working in over a year. It's in the other room, but this is out here in a separate room. So I have thread here, out here, and then in there. And so I kind of needed something so I can have a rack out here that has a lot of my thread, so I'm not running back and forth. So they reached out to me. They saw one of my videos, one of my really old videos, about me trying to make longer pegs on my thread rack. And so what I did in that video was I just attached some some straws, and then, you know, just kind of like fit them down onto my little pegs to make it longer, so it would hold the longer spools. But this comes with both the longer, I don't know if you can see that, the longer ones and the shorter ones, and it comes with 2 of them. I don't technically need 2 of them out here because, like I said, I do keep, and you can hang them on the wall. And I was just thinking, do I want to hang them on the wall? Because if I wanted to, I can hang it over here on the wall. That way everything will be there. We'll see. We will see. The only problem is this, where I am at right now, we're in the basement, and these, I would have to find like a stud. And I'm pretty sure there's one here, but there's nothing until about, I don't know. I'd have to get a stud finder. Anyway, so I am going to flip the camera around and, oh, okay, gotcha. And just figure out how I want to set this up. So here it is again. I'll leave a link down below to, it's on Amazon. If you do use my link, I do earn a little bit of commission off it. So, but I'm going to turn this around, set it up. It has all of the instructions on the back. I like that because a lot of times I lose like the, you know, little paper. Journey is my daughter, and she is obsessed with instructions. She thinks that it is like maps. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get these. Put in, so it's got little holes in it. And it says letter face outward. Twist. I'm gonna have to get a screwdriver. Don't worry, I've got one. I probably got one in this drawer. And I will. And like I said, don't pay attention to the junk because I work down here all day, every day. So, well, lately not all day, every day, but so this. Okay. I see. So these screws go in here. And it says the letters face out. Just put it in there. Let me screw this in. This is quite nifty. I think I want to put it on the wall though. Well, I'll just go ahead and set it up, and then hopefully when my husband comes home, he can notify me if I'm able to put this on the wall over here. So it's got lots of pegs. So if you do sewing and you got the smaller, I'm just gonna empty it out. I got a Ziploc baggie. I can put them all in right here. Nope. I guess we put them in this way. My fingers are breaking out so bad. I've got eczema and it's been under control for a while, and now I'm like completely breaking out. So don't mind my fingers. I'll live. So I think with the way that, yeah, I'm trying to decide on how far apart they need to go. Okay guys, so I got mine all set up the way I'm going to set it up for now. I do have a lot of the smaller spools, which I'll go grab in a minute. Of course you can mix with the large spools and the small spools. There's 2 that come in the pack. What did I just do with my baggie? Y'all. But like I said, I'm just using one of the racks for now. And I even thought about this after I was putting these on. That I could actually put one on the wall and then stand one up on the table. But for now, I'm going to leave it on the table until my husband gets home. So other. So I grabbed the other spools. Like I said, I've got a lot of the smaller ones. I've got more. I got plenty more. These are just some of them that I can stick on here. I like to use these smaller spools up when I get them. That way I just don't have a lot of them laying around. I used to keep them as backups, like if I ran out and really needed, like, let's say I was running low on green, you know, This might save me for a week or so without having to order, but now I'm trying to use them all up. That way I just have the bigger ones. But like I said, I'll leave a link down below to where you can purchase this. You can use my Amazon link, and I do get a kickback off it. This is something that interests you. I like it because it's plastic. It's sturdy. I don't think anything is like it ain't gonna fall or anything. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.
Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.